If you have this Tiger JBV-S10U Rice Cooker, it's from Costco, you'll know when it stops cooking. When it's cooking, this start button over here will be lighted red. And when it's all done, it'll switch over to keep warm in amber orange light over here. So that's how you know. And of course I made a video over here. If you cook with quick settings, it takes about 20 something minutes to cook. And if you cook with plain setting, it'll take a little over 40 minutes. So anyways, someone asked about that, so I just wanted to answer really quickly. Today I'll be cooking some rice with this Tiger cooker. I'm going to move it from plain to quick because I don't want to wait 45 minutes. Just press the menu button until you get to quick. And just make sure it's plugged in, because if it's not plugged in, it doesn't move. You can't move the options. Once that's done, it's set on to quick. Press start. Press start, and then you'll wait. When it's done, it'll move from start to keep warm, and this light will be on. It's done.